Good AM. Today is November 23, 2023, Thursday, and here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sware 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 23, 2023, Thursday. Here are the SL Sware 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Fiona Trading Supply Corporation for Thursday, November 23, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of November 23, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.